Start with our first application, that is visiting card application. For that, first you need to click on Android Studio, and in the Android Studio we will be developing our first visiting card. Take out your procedure what we have shared in the lab. So let it power on the Android Studio. Previously executed application will be popped up. We'll wait until our last application project get loaded. Before that we can go for, okay, as of now I am able to see the, in the sense, IDE loading on. I'll just click on files. Okay, now my previous application got loaded. Now I'm going to create my new application. Create on file, new project, and I'm going to select here empty activity, next, and here I'm going to give as visiting card 1 app. You can give any name, so make sure it is in Java only, and Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. Just click on finish. So once you click on finish, make sure like whatever already downloaded or loaded application you are going to close, because memory consumption. Close on this project so that memory goes more in existing project. So once I click on that, main activity will be popped up. No changes here. We'll go for activity underscore main.xml, and it will ask for internet use. Just click yes and click on build, and here still we didn't get any dependencies getting downloaded. So we'll wait for that so that our dependencies get downloaded and it's get loaded as well. Okay, since our application got downloaded, what we'll do is, already we'll delete all existing, we'll make it plain, and our first procedure is nothing but go for the code, and here you need to click on the at the end of this and click on backspaces. So once you click on backspaces till angular brace, after that we'll type relative capital R. Just give capital R, automatically IDE should give capital RE. Double click on that. So relative layout done. After that we'll go for design part. In the design part we'll look into the question now. In the question they have asked like use text view. So drag the text view and place on the screen and make an alignment with respect to x-axis, with respect to y-axis. My alignment is done, and align this with respect to left top corner. So this is my left top corner. Manually we are going to do. There are certain attributes you need to change. Go for the attributes, click on text. So once you click on text, here I'll be changing my company name. I'll be giving Atria. So size also I need to change for this. So I'll click on size, and here I'll be changing that as 38 dp. So my size also got changed. Even then you can change the color as well. So close this size and just give color. So click on color, and here you can see black box, and in the black box you can click on that, and finally you can find the color. So just apply. So color got changed. You can do changes as much as you want. So mine AIT is done. After that we need to go for Google and click on Atria logo. So once you click on Atria logo, I'll just right click on Atria logo and give save as. So once you click on save as, it will ask like what name you want to save or where do you want to save. So we'll go here and just give it same whatever name you want and click on save. So we'll go for Atria logo, show folders, and we'll copy that whatever downloaded one is there. Copy, right click, copy, and go for Android Studio and place on res folder, drawable folder, and here I am going to right click and I am going to place the image which I have copied. So just paste. So once you click on paste, it will ask like which folder you want to store. I'll use same folder only. Click on OK. Refactor, name you want to change or let it be the same name. Let it be the same name. Click on refactor. So finally my Atria logo got here. So now I want image view. Next third step is to add the image view. So I'll search for image view here. So I got image view here, click and place. So once you click place, Atria logo you can see here, click on that and click on OK. So finally Atria logo has been placed, but it is not according to position which we have in the question. So what we'll do, we'll little bit small will make it and we'll drag, even then it will not go. Make an arrangement with x axis and y axis. After that, place in that particular location. So my location has been placed and I am going to change this particular with respect to image. So this part is done. So our fourth step is go for the horizontal divider. Search in the palette horizontal divider and click on this and drag and place here. It will go at the top. As you can see, this has been gone because it is not arranged with respect to x-axis. So I'll drag this and place at this particular location. So once this is done, go to the attributes. Here we are going to change with respect to size. So I'll click on not size, height. HEIGST. Okay, you can see layout height here. Give it as 4 dp. So this size has been done. So after that, once you do changes with respect to this, next we'll go for the same component. Click on that. Here we are going to do with respect to background. So background, I'll remove existing one and I'll give as hash 444. So this my color get changed. So you can see color got changed. So after this, my next part is I need to drag the text view and place at this particular location and drag and drop with respect to x-axis and with respect to y-axis. This drag option is done and place at this particular location and go for the attributes. In attributes, I have already specified what you need to do. You need to go for size. So you will go for size and in the size you will be changing this with respect to 24 dp. Size you can give anything whatever you want, and then style you are going to do, and here you are going to place that style either bold or whatever it's according to your requirement. And then I need to change the text. So text, here I am going to give the name. So let it be the name like name colon, I'll give my name. So name is done. This has been updated. So if you click, this has been updated, make it to the center. So our next question is we will be going for the text view, drag and drop, and here we are going to make an alignment with respect to x-axis and with respect to y-axis. So this alignment is done and we are going to place here. So I didn't change the size for this. Okay, I have changed it. So I'll go for this and text, and here I'm going to change that as job colon, and I am going to give as assistant professor. And I am going to change the size to size. Alignment is center only, not required to type on the attribute. 24 sp, and I am going to click here. So my alignment is also done now. So assistant professor is done. I am going to change this alignment with respect to assistant professor. This is done. So after this, next part is I'll go click on the text view, drag and drop, and I am going to place that at the x-axis and y-axis. This has been changed. I'll drag this particular component at the particular location. I'll change the size. Let it be size as 24 sp only. Whatever you want you can change. And then I'll go for text, and in the text I'll give as address, and I'll give as ASKB Atria. So this part is done and size has been changed. So again, make an alignment at the center, and whatever we have this particular location, I'm aligning to that particular component. So this part is done. Next part is take the text view and place at the x-axis and y-axis location. After that, get that at particular center location, and this would be my mobile number. Okay, I should search for text first. Sorry, I should search for text, and at the text I'll give as mobile number, and I'll give the number as, okay, my number has been updated. So this part is done, but I didn't change the size. So I'll go for size. Concise, I'll give as 24 sp. So size has been updated. So our last part would be email address. So before that, let me align this here. So that has been aligned. Now next is email address. Text view, drag and drop, and place with respect to x-axis, and with respect to y-axis we are going to place and get this at the particular location, and go for size. I'm going to give size as 24 sp, and let me change the text as well. Text would be my email. So I'll give here it as email, and let me give my email id. So email id has been placed. So I have changed the size as well, and as well as email id. So make an arrangement, and finally we are done with our id card. In the sense, our last step is to run an application. So just I'll change the phone now, and I'll click on run. So you can go for the build, and you can find like my application is up and running, and it is asking for dependencies downloading from the internet. So whatever you have designed, that need to be displayed on the phone. Okay, as of now my emulator is up and running, and here I didn't get still build get success. As you can observe, it is waiting. Gradle build is running, and we are waiting for our output to display on the phone. In the sense, it should be as a phone. Okay, as you can see here, my build got success, and it should be displaying installing. As you can see, it is installing on my phone. It will about to pop up. So Gradle got finished. In a sense, Gradle invocation is finished, and we are waiting for app to install and launching an activity. And you can see my activity got launched, and we didn't see the Atria logo because it has not aligned properly. So if you do the arrangement properly, we will be able to see our Atria logo and all the stuff. Okay, I made an arrangement with respect to Atria logo and ID, and we got the output same. Okay students, thank you.